6 degrees. By the looks of it, it's raining. But that doesn't stop us. This morning we are going for a biker's breakfast. Good morning! Let me turn my beast up so we can hear each other. Hello, hello! How are you guys doing today? We are doing okay. It's cold and misty, but there is a blue sky somewhere, and I decided to change my glass because my digits are freezing. It was only 6 degrees in the morning, so that's okay, but I wanted to film a little bit, and I can use gloves on my little gadget phone thing, so I put these on, but I'm fucking freezing. Look at this view, look at that. Absolutely stunning. This morning we are going for a biker's breakfast. Every second Sunday is a breakfast at the car museum, so we're gonna go and have a look and eat some food. Let's do it. See you on the road. Our usual petrol station, and there is even a sunshine. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's get this breakfast going. Alrighty, so we are in Trentham, which is underneath these hills. I don't know the name of them, some hills, but this is the Cars Inc. It's a car and motorcycle museum, and they're doing these breakfasts in here, so I'm actually catching up with Mike from the couple episodes back, and I'll have a breakfast here, so I might as well wait for him. And few bikes came here. It's not super busy, but nice little Harley. Yeah, Indian, another Harleys, and I don't know. What is this? Oh, Yamaha. It's a new Star, and not a bad looking bike. I have something planned, kind of, which is exciting. Hopefully it's gonna be in the next couple episodes, but hopefully it works out. I shouldn't even say that, but because if it didn't work out, you wouldn't even know it didn't work out. But yeah, if it works out, it's gonna be fucking cool. Excuse my language. Alright. Okie dokie, look at that. I got a stamp. Star is for the breakfast, and the Cars Inc. sticker is for the museum. So that gets you an entry for the whole day. You can just keep coming, going and out if you want. And we'll eat some food, and then I'll pop inside to have a look in the museum. They have some cars, but it's a Cars Inc. But supposedly they have a nice selection of motorcycles as well. So we'll have a look at that. Should be a nice little morning. All right, let's eat. There he is. Mike's here. Let's say good morning. There he is, the mischief himself. Hey, how are you? Ah, it's a nice one too. What year is that one? 50.
Well, sort of.
Mismatch.
Runs through various years.
Beautiful. There he is. Hello.
Make sure you get that Suzuki Swift in there.
This beast is another gentleman I know. His name is Mike Dalton, I think, and maybe one day we'll get him on a camera too. He is a cool as old school biker, and he rides these things. He has some Urals and sidecars and stuff. It is a pretty cool guy. I tattooed him as well, so yeah, we had a good chat, and he brought me some 1970s chopper magazines from the States. It was so cool. And these bikes, look at this. And this is a 1920 something Harley over here. Gorgeous. And these Harleys are from Dave. He is part of the motorcycle shop Harley Speed and Custom. We were in Pukera Bay in a few videos back. So he is a absolute top-notch engineer and bike fixer, mechanic and restorer, and he focuses mainly on Indians, but as you can see he has also beautiful Harleys, and maybe one day we'll get him into the camera and have a chat with him too. It'll be absolutely amazing to talk to people with so much knowledge and experience and just life of bike riding. I don't even think you can keep a key in a motorcycle. Who's gonna start it if you don't know the proper routines, do you? Look at that, absolutely stunning. Some more bikes arrived since we arrived. You recognize this Indian? You recognize this blue monster? And look at this Duke. That's quite beautiful too. I don't know who rides this machine, but it is absolutely stunning. 1 year older than me. Yeah, so this is what we got here right now. And we'll check the museum soon. Let's have a look.
Thanks, man.
They just got the first place for people's pick of the best motorcycle. Nice. Alright, so this is the car museum thing. Let's have a look. That looks quite lovely. This bike is the same as Mike's from our interview episode. It's the military version 1941, and this is what his bike looked like. And you have seen what he made out of it. I quite like his version a lot. Good job, Mike. Good job. look at this thing. This is a Fiat Bambina 500, but me and my family had a Fiat 600 as our family car all the way until I was almost 17 or 18. My dad built it from the ground up and we rode it everywhere. And funny thing is that that's the first time ever I have seen a cruise control. My dad used a lever from an old bicycle for changing gears, bolted it up to the side of the frame on the inside, and ran a piece of wire through a pulley on the underside of a accelerator pedal. So when he got the car to its maximum speed, or his cruising speed of 60-70 kilometers per hour, he just pulled the lever in and locked the pedal in place. And then we just cruised the speed and he could take his feet off. So that was his little genius way of cruising. So that was our family car. Seems like this might be a small advertisement campaign for a Coca-Cola company. To be totally honest, I don't know, I like Coca-Cola, I don't drink it. We have actually a drink in Slovakia called kofola. Very different, but similar. And I prefer that one if I could get my hands on it. But yeah. That's a useless piece of information for you. Alrighty, so that was an excursion in our little Cars Inc. museum. Cool little machines, nice collection. Lots of things are owned by the owner, lots of things are here from other people. Some cars are for sale. And yeah, time to head home. I'm full, got breakfast, and it is time to head home. See you on the road. No pressure now.
Hopefully this will be impressive. I like it. Generally works.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. How cool is that? Wow. doing the noise of a 54-year-old bike, eh?
Exactly, man. It's lovely, isn't it?
Surprise, surprise. Alright, so that was our actually a Mother's Day ride today for a breakfast. So I know this video is gonna go up way later, but belatedly or too late, you all mums out there, hopefully you had a great one and your kids treated you to a nice meal or a visit or a coffee or something, maybe even flowers. I'm gonna call my mum tonight, because she lives on the other side of the world, so I'll give her a ring tonight. So it's yesterday morning on the other side, today morning. Anyhow, it was a fun ride. I met some really cool people, saw some cool bikes. It was an unexpectedly really good outing. So well, thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to see you next time. You know what to do with all these buttons. Knock yourself out or not, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.